Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Welcome to you all in our English language class, and I am your English teacher Sita. Today we are having another language topic which is totally new for you, and it's very easy. It is not related to any topic previously. Okay, this is called types of verbs. This is lecture number 32, what we're having right now, and you are going to learn about types of verbs. As you all know that it's a parts of speech. Okay, it is one of the parts of speech. Verbs. Simply, what are verbs? Verbs are words that express action or state of being. Okay, it expresses the action, it shows the actions, it shows the performing verb or work. Okay, and it also shows or express state of being, means something possesses, something is does exist, it is also called the verb. There are three types of verbs. Action verbs. Number one is action verb, which shows the actions. Linking verbs, which shows the link between subject and the whole sentence. And the third one is helping verbs, which helps the main verb to make it clear the whole sentence. Okay, we have three types of verbs. Action verbs. First one is action verbs, which shows the action. Linking verbs, which shows the link between the subject and the whole sentence and the rest of the sentence. And helping verb, which helps the main verb to make the main verb clear. First of all, we have a linking verb. This is the definition of linking verb. Okay, a linking verb connects. It is not, I think, visible for you all, and it's not changing its color. Okay, leave it now. A linking verb connects the subject with a word that gives information, okay, that gives information about the subject, such as a condition or relationship. They do not show any action. Means linking verbs doesn't show any relation, any action, okay. They simply link the subject with the rest of the sentence. The main work or the role which is played by the linking verb is to um, link the subject with the rest of the sentence. Okay, it has only a main role to link the subject with the rest of the sentence. For example, in the sentence, they are a problem. Okay, the word are, which is a linking word that connects they and problem. Okay, it, it is linking the subject. The is the subject. Okay, this is subject. Okay, and a problem. This is the, you can say this is the rest of the sentence. Okay, this is the subject and this is the rest of the sentence. So are is the word or a linking verb which shows the link between they and the rest of the sentence, that connects they and problem to show the relation between the two words. Okay, these are also two words. It is subject here, it is also a verb. Okay, so it is showing the relationship between they and a problem between them. The most common linking verbs are forms of the verb to be. Means to be form, I told you yesterday that to be form is present form is mr, past form is was and were, and the third form is been, has been, have been, or being. Okay, this is ing form, which we also call fourth form. Okay, so the most common linking verbs are which we use commonly in the sentences in our in our conversation, in our writing. They are mostly the forms of the verb to be. Okay, to be की जो forms है, present form, past form, and past participle form. ठीक है, these are three forms of verb which are most commonly used linking words. A helping verb always, अच्छा, linking words you all know that now. Okay, we have learned about linking words. Now come to the helping verbs. A helping verb always stands in front of a main verb. Okay, it is always placed in the whole sentence. It is placed before the main verb. Okay, It helps the main verb. That's why it always stands in front of the main verb. Obviously when you are going to help somebody, so you will be with that person. ठीक है, आप उसके साथ ही खड़े रहोगे ना. Obviously in the same way, helping verbs are the helpers of main verb, so they always stands in front of the main verb. वो हमेशा main verb के साथ नजर आएंगे. For example, in the sentence, Shaila can ride her sister's bike. Okay, the helping verb can stands in front of the ride. ठीक है, can और ride they are totally with each other. ये हमेशा एक दूसरे के साथ ही मिलेंगे. ठीक है, and which is the main verb. Ride is the main verb, so you will see always that the helping verb is always beside, before, or it will always in front of the main verb. ये हमेशा main verb के साथ नजर आएगा to help the main verb. ठीक है, अच्छा. In English grammar, a helping verb is a verb that comes before the main verb. Okay, exactly what I told you right now. And it is also called lexical verb in a sentence. Together, the helping verb and the main verb form a verb phrase. A helping verb is also known as an auxiliary verb. Okay, helping verb, you all know that they always placed to help the main verb to make the sentence more clearer. Okay, now these are action verbs. Action verbs are words that express action. These are the main verbs which we always expected from the verb. That verb always represent the action. No, sometimes the verb does not shows the action. It shows the existence of the thing. They are linking verbs that shows the link between two things. They are helping verbs that shows the help help to the main verb. Okay, they are not always the action verbs, but action verb is also a type of verb. Okay, so we have three types of verbs mainly: linking verbs, helping verbs, and action verbs. Now action verbs are those words that expresses the action, means give, take, eat, laugh, walk, etc. Okay, to show the working of anything of anybody. Or possession also means state of being. ठीक है, state of being and possession they are same. Have, own, etc. Action verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. Now, action verbs are also categorized, are also subdivided into two types, that is transitive or intransitive. The action verb can be transitive or intransitive. Now, what are transitive and intransitive verbs? A transitive verb always has a noun that receives the action of the verb called the direct object. Means a transitive verb always has a noun. It will be always having a noun with that which will receive the action. Okay, somebody is transferring the action towards noun, so noun is receiving the action always in transitive verbs, and they are also called direct object. Okay, for example, Lisa raises her hand. The verb is raises. Her hand is the object receiving the verb's action. Therefore, raises is a transitive verb. Okay, because hand is a direct object which is receiving the verb. Okay, Lisa raises her hand, and what is the thing which is receiving the verb raises? It is called her hand, which is receiving the action, so it is called a transitive verb. Now, transitive verbs sometimes have indirect object also, which name the object to whom or for whom the action was done. Sometimes it is not performed on itself. Okay, जैसे यहाँ हमने we have seen the example that Lisa is performing action to herself. वो अपने आप के साथ में action perform कर रही है. Sometimes we have the indirect object also, to whom or for whom or with whom the action was done. Okay, for example, Abdus gave Becky the pencil, means someone is sending the action towards some other person, means Abdus is giving the pencil to Becky. He is sending the action and Becky is receiving the action from Abdus. The verb is gave. Okay, the direct object is the pencil. What did he give? The pencil. The indirect object is Becky, means there is someone who is receiving the object. Here is nobody to receive the action but her own self. Okay, Lisa's own self, herself is receiving her own action, but here there are two people, so the another person who is receiving the action, it is called indirect object. Okay, direct object is the thing which we are sending, and the person who is receiving that pencil, it is called indirect object, which is Becky. To whom did he give it? और to Becky, जिसके साथ उसने वर्क परफॉर्म किया है. Now, what are intransitive verbs? An intransitive verb never has a direct or indirect object. Okay, intransitive verbs hasn't got any object which is not direct or indirect. Although an intransitive verb may be followed by an adverb or adverbial phrase, उसके साथ हमेशा adverb or adverbial phrase attach होगा. There is no object to receive its action. That's why it is called intransitive. Transitive means something is transferred to someone or something, okay, and the something and someone is receiving. So they are called indirect or direct object. But in intransitive verbs, there is no object over there. That's why nothing is transferred to the person or to the thing. That's why it is called intransitive verb. For example, Lisa rises slowly from her seat. Means Lisa is standing up slowly from her seat. There is nothing to receive the action. The word is rises. The phrase slowly, which is adverbial phrase, you may say from her seat, modifies the verb, but no object receives the action. There is no one to receive the action. Is it clear to you all? Are you all getting the difference between transitive and intransitive verbs? When we will be doing the examples, then you will be confused there. Okay, if you have any problem right now, you can ask me that what are transitive and intransitive. Transitive verbs are those verbs which are sending. Okay, according to that, someone or something is sending the action or verb टू समवन और somebody. ओके, कोई पर्सन या कोई चीज दूसरे पर्सन या चीज को अपने पास से कोई ना कोई वर्ब सेंड कर रही है, एंड द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट और द इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट दे आर रिसीविंग दिस एक्शन. But in intransitive there is no object to receive. Okay, nothing, no one is direct and no one is indirect. Means there is no object over there. ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्ट होगा ही नहीं तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट? नोबडी इज ओवर देयर टू रिसीव, नोबडी इज सेंडिंग एनी एक्शन. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट. Now, transitive or intransitive. To determine whether a verb is transitive or intransitive, follow these two steps. Okay, when you will be doing the exercise of transitive and intransitive, you should follow these instructions and steps to make it clear and right. First example is Dustin will lay down his book. Okay, what you have to do, you have to recognize the verb first. Okay, listen it very carefully. I am giving you the example how you can identify whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. आप कैसे identify करोगे? First you have to take out the verb. Okay, take out the verb and translate it into Urdu as it is according to the form. If it is in first form, then you have to keep it in your mind in the first form. Second form में है तो आप उसको second form में translate करके अपने mind में रखेंगे, और it is in third form, then do so. Okay, what is the action over here? Will lay. Okay, lay down his book, or here also his book will lie there all day. You have to just translate the verb as it is according to the verb form into Urdu, और आपने उस उर्दू के verb के साथ इन words को attach करके देखना है. Okay, means Dustin ने अपनी books रख दी या फेंक दी या छोड़ दी, whatever. Okay, now we are having will lay. Okay, रखेगा, okay, या छोड़ देगा या फेंक देगा, whatever, but we are having the future form here, so you have to convert this whole sentence into Urdu according to what and to whom. क्या और किसको के साथ आप उसके वर्ब को अटैच करके देखेंगे. will lay, रख देगा. ओके, नीचे रख देगा. क्या रख देगा? किसको रख देगा? इफ यू आर गेटिंग बोथ द आंसर्स, क्या रख देगा? बुक्स रख देगा. किसको रख देगा? बुक्स को रख देगा. ओके, इफ यू आर गेटिंग दीज टू आंसर्स फ्रॉम द सेंटेंस, देन इट मीन्स इट इज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. Okay, first you have to translate the form of verb with the form of verb को आप उर्दू में translate करोगे. Okay, according to its form, उसके tense के साथ आप उसको translate करोगे. Then you have to ask these two words question with your verb. Okay, if you are getting the proper sensible answer, okay, then it is transitive. और अगर आपको उसका sensible proper answer नहीं मिल रहा, it means you the verb is in intransitive. See, his book will lie there all day. उसकी बुक्स वहां सारा दिन पड़ी रही. ठीक है, इफ यू आर, या पड़ी रहेंगी. ठीक है, तो इफ यू आर हैविंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ गेटिंग द सेंसिबल आंसर्स ऑफ दीज टू क्वेश्चंस, तो इट मींस दैट दे आर intransitive verbs. ठीक है, now ask yourself what is receiving the action of the verb. If there is a noun receiving the action of the verb, then the verb is transitive. If there is no direct object to receive the action, and if the verb does not make sense with a direct object, then it is intransitive, as I told you before in the slide. Okay? See, Dustin will lay down his book. Dustin will lay down what? His book. And since the verb can take a direct object, it is transitive. Clear? His book will lie there all day. His book will lie what? Nothing. Okay? क्या पढ़ी रही, किसको पढ़ी रही? You are not getting the proper answer of these two questions. Okay? So it does not make sense to lie something. Since the verb has no direct object, it is intransitive. Come to the exercise first. Okay? Then we will be getting the proper sense of these two transitive and intransitive verbs. Now take out your copies very quickly. Okay, keep your copies in front of you. We don't have to take out the books. हमें books की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have to just copy down this exercise what you are looking on the screens. ठीक है, you have to copy down the exercise from here. It is not in the book. Take out your books, take out your copies. First of all, maintain the index. Give heading of transitive and intransitive verbs. Okay, give heading of transitive and intransitive verbs in the particulars or in the topic column. Okay, note down the date today and give explanation plus exercise. Write down exercise over there, just exercise. Okay, because we don't have any number of this exercise, so we will write only exercise. Now open your copies where you have to do your work. You have to make the title page properly. Okay, you have to make the title page. No any mistakes I want now, because you have been working since Monday. Okay, Monday से हम इसी पैटर्न पे काम करते आ रहे हैं, तो I don't want any mistake now. This is your 5th day about related to these written work plus explanation virtual classes, so no mistakes chances should be there. Okay, make the title page of transitive and intransitive verb. Then at the next page you have to write down the date first, and then exercise की heading देकर you have to start writing. Okay, no page number, no exercise number, just write down the exercise. This word exercise should be written over there. Exercise लिखकर with the very next line you have to start writing over here. Okay, and be with me. I'm giving you half minute more. Okay, then I will be dictating also and giving you the answers also, that whether it is transitive or intransitive verb. You should be with me. Abdul Rahman, you have to do it in your copy. Yes, Mohammad Ali, I will show you the previous slide also. Okay, मैं दिखा दूंगी आपको काम. और you can also see with the recorded class. Okay, आपकी जो in the Google Classroom, I have also posted the link of the previous classes. Since Monday till now, I have been posting over there every class link in the classroom. You can also see from the recording. ओके उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने पोस्ट कर दी है. यू कैन ऑल्सो सी द रिकॉर्डिंग, और आप उसको वहाँ से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ऑल्दो आई विल शो यू टुडे ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ सी point number 1. She teaches English. What you have to do, you have to translate the word into Urdu. Okay, You have to translate the verb into Urdu. Teaches, she teaches English, वो English पढ़ाती है, तो you have to ask these two questions, क्या पढ़ाती है, किसको पढ़ाती है. If you are getting the sensible question and sensible answer of this verb, then it is called transitive verb. Okay, so we are getting the answers. Are they sensible or not? क्या पढ़ाती है, किसको पढ़ाती है? Yes, we are getting the answers. English पढ़ाती है और obviously students को पढ़ाती है. So this is called transitive verb. Okay, do it right now. Alhamdulillah, we don't have any exercise number of that. Okay, just write down exercise, no number it has. Abdul Rahman, just wait. हाँ रमीज, you can also write transitive completely. Okay, या टी भी लिख सकते हैं, doesn't matter. टी का transitive और intransitive का we will write it. Okay. Now come to number 2. He sleeps in the afternoon. Okay, वो आफ्टरनून में सोता है. क्या सोता है, किसको सोता है? We are not getting the proper question, plus we are not getting the proper answers of that. What sleeps, to whom sleeps? No, we are not getting the proper answer and sensible question answers. So it is called intransitive. Okay, we will write like this. Okay, now come to number 3. Ahmad beats his servant. Okay, Ahmad अपने servants को मारता है. क्या मारता है, किसको मारता है? We are getting the proper question and answer. So this is called transitive verb. Now I will ask you all that what are these. Yes, Afra, you will reply me for number 4 that either it is transitive or intransitive. Unmute your mic and give me the response. Afra Wajahat. You will respond me for number 4 whether it is transitive or intransitive. Afra, are you there? Can you give me the reply? Not in mic. If then you can write the answer. Yes, Afra.
Yes, it is transitive verb.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Just speak loudly.
Yes, it is transitive verb.
Transitive verb. She speaks slowly. क्या बोलती है, किसको बोलती है? We are getting the answer and question sensibly, so it is called transitive. Okay. But nothing is taking here, nothing is receiving the action, Afra. She speaks slowly. Okay, no, nothing is over here to receive the action. यहाँ पे कोई ऐसी चीज तो है नहीं जो receive action कर रही हो. Okay, she speaks slowly. Speaks means बात करती है. क्या बात करती है, किसको बात करती है? It is not transitive, it is intransitive verb. Are you all getting the point? Is there any confusion in this point? Arif, just wait. Arif will reply me. Yes, Afra, it is intransitive. Okay, it is intransitive because nothing is. It is not. She is not transferring any action to any object. No one is here to receive the object or receive the action. Okay, so it is called intransitive. We will write it over here. Okay. Now number 5. Yes, Arif, you will reply me for number 5. Arif. Yes, Arif. Can you give me the reply in the mic? Or you will write the answer in chat box. Muhammad Ali. I have unmuted you. I am doing. Yes.
इसका में ट्रांसलेटिव होगा.
Number 5. My father went to Lahore. गए. My father went to Lahore means गए. क्या गए, किसको गए? No, it is intransitive verb. Okay. Because we have to translate the verb according to its form. ठीक है, हम उसके टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग उसको ट्रांसलेट करेंगे. देन वी विल अटैच व्हाट टू whom, उसके साथ अटैच करके देन वी विल फाइंड आउट द आंसर. ओके ओके अरीब, गुड. यस, नंबर 6. आयशा जावेद, कैन यू रिप्लाई मी फॉर नंबर 6? माय फादर गेव मी अ गिफ्ट. माय फादर गेव मी अ गिफ्ट.
Miss, it's transitive.
Transitive. How my father gave me a gift. क्या दिया किसको दिया?
Miss,
Obviously we are getting the answers. Very good. शाबाश. We are getting the answers. We are having the answers of क्या दिया किसको दिया, what did he gave, and what did he has transferred something to somebody. Yes. So it will be transitive verb. Yes. Who will reply me for the next? We looked at the board. We looked at the board. हमने बोर्ड की तरफ देखा. Okay. What do we look? What did we look? The board. क्या देखा किसको देखा? We are getting the answer, so it is called transitive. Yes, my parents are leaving for Lahore. मेरे parents जा रहे हैं. Okay. क्या जा रहे हैं किसको जा रहे हैं? We are not getting the answer, so it is called intransitive. Yes. अच्छा 9. Number 9, I want answer from Kainat Rashid. Kainat Rashid, can you give me the reply of number 9? I will leave this school. Kainat, can you give me the reply? Hurry up fast. I want answer
Miss,
from
transitive.
Kainat. Yes, yes. Kainat, I can't hear you. Repeat it.
Miss is transitive.
Transitive. I will leave this school. क्या छोड़ दूंगा किसको छोड़ दूंगा? Exactly, we are getting the sensible answers of that. It is called transitive verb. And she is talking in the class. She is talking in the class. Yes, Asya, can you give me the reply of number 10? Asya?
Miss, transitive.
She is talking in the class. बातें कर रही है.
Transitive.
क्या कर रही है किसको कर? If we are even if we are getting the one sensible answer of that, क्या से भी अगर हमें sensible answer मिल जाता है, question मिल जाता है और किसको से नहीं मिलता, then doesn't mean, but it is transitive. Okay, very good, Asya. It is called transitive verb. So this is the simple way of identifying that whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. There is not it is a patent rule of getting the answer. Okay. Have you all done this work in your copies? She speaks slowly. Yes, intransitive. बोलती है. ठीक है. अच्छा. Is there anyone who hasn't done this work yet? कोई है जिसका अभी काम complete नहीं हुआ हो? So we should switch to the presentation questions. These are some questions I have made for you all. Okay. Now you will reply me for these questions. Yes, Fatma Nadeem. Can you give me the reply of question number 1? How many types of verb we have? Fatma Nadeem, can you reply me the question for question number 1? How many types of verbs we have? Or you should write the answer in the chat box. Okay, Sumaya, previous slide means the exercise slide really. Tanya Salim, if your index pages are end, so you have to paste a page from the back side of the copy. At the every back side of the copy, you have got the index pages, which is for the test. Okay, वो test के index pages होते हैं, but you can paste them here from the back side and paste them in front of that. Okay. Vanya, just wait. 3 types. Okay, okay, 3 types. And how many? What are the names of these 3 types? Ali Jafri, write down the answer in the chat box, or you will reply me here. What are the 3 types? Name the types of verbs. Ali Jafri, I want number 2 answer from your side. Yes, Aisha Hassan is replying. Okay, Aisha Javed is also replying. Okay, very good, Iman. Action verbs, helping verbs, and linking verbs are there. Okay, fine. And what are linking verbs? Hania, will you reply me for the question number 3? What is linking verb? And Rumesa Abid, you will reply me for question number 4. What are helping verbs? And Zainab, you will reply me for question number 5. Hania and Rumesa Abid, to whom I asked question number 4 and 5 from Zainab. Yes, Zainab. How do we recognize transitive verbs? Acha, you all can reply here in the chat box. Okay. अच्छा रमीज बता दीजिए मैं बताऊं. You people should write in English and people should give me the reply also in English. Okay. Linking verbs connect the subject with a word that gives information about the subject. Okay. Linking verbs connect the subject with the word that give information about the subject. ठीक है. Okay, fine. Asiya, very good. Sensible sentence. Okay. Somebody was wanted to see the previous work. मोहम्मद अली आपको चाहिए था ना. मोहम्मद अली wanted to see the last day's work which is about subject verb agreement. I'm trying to share it. Share. Can you all see the screen of the previous topic? Which exercise do you want? Mohammad Ali, which exercise did you want to see? Okay, okay, Ali. Last one, this one. Afra, this one. Tell me the exercise number which you want. We describe the subject by connecting to it to adjective or noun. Linking words are those words which shows the link between subject and the rest of the sentence. This is the simple patent answer of linking word Hania. Okay. This is a simple answer that those verbs which shows the link between the subject and the rest of the sentence. And the rest of the sentence in which everything is included. Rest of the sentence में सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं. Okay, adverb, adverbial phrase, adjective, object, whatever is there. Everything will be coming in the rest of the subject में वो rest of the sentence में वो सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं which is inside the sentence. So you don't have to particularly write adjective or adverb or adverbial phrase or object, whatever. You just write the linking words are those words which shows the link between the subject and the rest of the sentence. It's okay. Helping verb is a verb that comes before the main verb. Okay, fine. A helping verb is also known as auxiliary verb. Very good, Asiya. Good answer. Yes, Muhammad Ali, you want to ask something? I'm waiting for Muhammad Ali what he is going to ask. Muhammad Ali, in which topic you are talking about? Subject verb agreement or today's topic, transitive and intransitive? Today's exercise. Here, now you can see the screen. Can you see the transitive and intransitive points? What is the problem? Yes, what is the problem? I will leave this school. मैं ये स्कूल छोड़ दूंगा. Okay, क्या छोड़ दूंगा, किसको छोड़ दूंगा? Means you are getting the sensible question and the answers of these questions will be sensible. So it is transitive. What is the confusion behind that? In last bit she is talking in the class. बातें कर रही है. क्या बातें कर रही है, किसको बातें कर रही है? Yes, it is. Yeah, you are right. It is intransitive. Yes, maybe I did typing mistake. तो आप मुझे उसी वक्त बता देते. It's okay. It's okay. हाँ, I forgot to write it intransitive. It is intransitive. It is not transitive. She is talking in the class. Class में बातें कर रही है. क्या बातें कर रही है, किसको बातें कर रही है? These are not sensible question and their answers will not be sensible. Okay, there is no meaning of that question and answer. So they are intransitive. And plus, the subject is not transferring any action to anything or anybody, and no indirect object is here to receive the action. Obviously जब object नहीं होगा तो obviously it is called intransitive. Good. Okay जी. Now we have only 3 minutes. If you have any confusion, any problem regarding today's topic or yesterday's topic, so you can ask me right now. Okay, we have 2-3 minutes left. Okay, just don't leave the class. Don't leave the class before me. Okay. Musaiba and Sania, you people are raising your hands. Do you want to ask something? Musaiba and Sania, do you want to ask something? Yes, Sania, how will you show? You will on your video? How will you show? Yes, you can. Yes, Sania. You want to ask something?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
कैसी हैं आप?
आप बताइए.
मिस मैंने आपसे बोलना था कि मिस जब आप हमसे प्रेजेंटेशन क्वेश्चन पूछ रही थी तो उसके बीच में मिस मैंने इंडेक्स पेस्ट किया और मिस जो मैक्सिमम मार्क्स और ऑब्टेन मार्क्स का जो कॉलम था वो
Leave them.
मैंने कट कर दिया.
Okay,
तो
fine.
अब आप मेरी इंडेक्स देख ले, मैं आपको शो कर रही हूँ.
Okay.
अब मिस मैंने पूछना था कि मैं इसमें वापस से फाइनल टर्म लिखूं.
No need, but it doesn't matter if you give the heading. अगर आप heading दे देती हैं तो what is the problem? एक लाइन में heading दे दीजिए.
यहाँ लिख दूं?
हाँ हाँ
ठीक है
बिल्कुल.
मिस.
शो कर दीजिए. This is the final term
ठीक है मिस.
और आज की डेट के साथ then start writing the index.
ओके मिस, बस ये
Is there any
दिखाना
problem?
था आपको. थैंक यू मिस.
ठीक है.
नो मिस, थैंक यू मिस.
Okay, fine. Okay जी. So we should leave now. Okay. We will inshallah meet on Monday with the literature work. Your books and your copies must be with yourself. Okay. We will do the same explanation plus written work today on Monday. Okay. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all of you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.